Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'ak and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is another sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the book of Luke, chapter 12, verse 51 through verse 56. And that's the title of the sit-down lesson. This is the book of Luke, chapter 12, verse 51, and it reads, "Suppose ye that I come to send peace on earth, I tell you nay, but a division." Right, just like it says in the book of Mark, chapter 3, verse 24, "If a kingdom be divided against itself, that kingdom cannot stand." And to the next verse of Mark 3 and verse 25, "If a house be divided against itself, the house cannot stand." Prime example of a cross-reference scripture and pertains to that. This is Luke 12 and verse 52. "For from henceforth there shall be 5 in one house divided, and 3 against 2, and 2 against 3. Right, so you're going to have great divisions between people within their own households. That's why we've been seeing murder-suicide rates been increasing at an all-time high. So sins and iniquities and great divisions and tensions and escalations been heating up around the world, as we're seeing that increasing of great divisions between people within their own household, within their own nation, against other nations as well too. And we've been seeing that ramping up, increasing, and that goes into the iniquities, just like it says in Matthew 24 verse 12, "And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold." And that's what we're seeing in these modern day times. The signs of the times that we're in, just like in ancient times, now in modern day times. Just like the scripture says, Ecclesiastes chapter 1 and verse 9, "There's no new thing under the sun." But we definitely, in these modern day times, we're definitely going to see the increasing of these signs that's taking place in the world today, increasing of great division between people within their own household, within their own nation, within their own neighbors, increasing of great division against one another, against the other nations. Gonna see that clearly as well too. That's why Deuteronomy 30 and 7 are coming into full effect right now as we speak as well too. And this is Luke 12 and verse 53. "The father shall be divided against the son, and the son against the father, the mother against the daughter, and the daughter against the mother, and the mother-in-law against her daughter-in-law, and the daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law." Right, so we're going to see that increasing. Great divisions between people within their own households, within their nation, in their neighborhood, and against their neighbors as well too, and within their own household. And this is Luke 12 and verse 54. It says, "And he say unto the people, when ye shall see a cloud rise out of the west great way, ye say, there cometh a shower, so it is." This is the book of Luke chapter 12 verse 55, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. "And when ye shall see the south wind blow, ye shall say, there be heat, and it cometh to pass." Luke 12 and verse 56. It says, "Ye hypocrites, ye can discern the face of the sky and of the earth, but how is that you do not discern these times?" That's why it says in 2nd Ezra chapter 9 and verse 1, "Measure the time diligently in itself," So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of Luke 12 and verse 51 through verse 56. And that was the title of the sit-down lesson. So hopefully this lesson was edifying. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'ak and Wa'akwaf. And until next time, I will say Shalom.